Well, hello, I'm the Rifter, and welcome to another amazing tutorial that no one ever complains about. Ever. Anyway, you might notice a little bit something different about me. My hair got a little bit darker. Look at all that stuff coming in. I bought a new truck. So this is a 2024 Ford Maverick XLT. I was driving that gray Ranger for 14 years. I bought it on March 13th, 2010. So I've had it for quite a while, and it was just time for something new or different. It doesn't really matter, whatever. But today we're going to install a MaxMate bed liner. Wish me luck. All right, so the first thing you got to do is take this thing out of the box. Oh wow, it comes in a carrying sleeve. Like I'm ever gonna... I don't know why I need that, but all right. That's nice. Hope it doesn't say something like, please do not get dirty. So we got clamps for the sides, I'm assuming. Weather stripping. Instructions. Like I'm gonna need those. No, I really need those. And whatever these are, I'm assuming these are the side slats slash tracks. All right, so the basic deal is these go to the end of the bed and they face inside. So this one's actually gonna go on the driver's side over here where my microphone equipment is laid out and is telling me that I'm not exceeding my volume limit. So I got this one. This one will go on the passenger side. I've already wiped down my rails, or whatever these are. Side rails? Ah, there's a lot of bugs too. What the F? I'm just unrolling this thing. Maybe not really all the way, just trying to get all this foam and crap out of it. All right, so this is the part that goes up by the bulkhead. This part right here. You'll definitely need a screwdriver. So you have to unscrew this screw. There's also one on the other side. There is a little nut on the other side, over on the opposite side that you can't see. But this is supposed to go into this track channel, like so. Hope you saw that. Is that where that went? Yeah. And this goes back into the little hole, like so. So again, you put that in, push it all the way in. Yeah, that holds it in there somehow. I don't know. Whatevs. Supposed to apply this weather stripping along the entire back near the bulkhead or your rear window, whatever you want to call it. Apply this seal to any gap along the bed rail lower than the side rails or wherever needed. We're going to need it everywhere. Are you serious right now? Well, I'm glad I have a towel out here. I think a bird just on me. Hooray! In some cultures, I hear it's good luck. All right, so you got to peel this backing off. And I did cut this down to size. And you should wipe this surface down for sure before you apply this. Just make sure that is seated really well. Oh. Wipe that out. Put that right down in there so stuff doesn't get wet when it rains. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, make sure you wipe that out. You probably use like alcohol pads or something, or good old-fashioned water, and then just dry it out. But I washed this out earlier. Just do the same thing you did on the other side. Make sure you put that sticky side down. I don't know why I would have to explain that, but whew. Very strange design. I mean, it works, but I'll go ahead and get all these in place and then move this thing around and tighten it down the way I think it needs to be tightened down. The instructions for this are very, very vague. They are not specific at all. Doesn't say how far apart these things need to be from one another. Oh, you're supposed to approximate the position of the clamps. So I guess I'm going to approximate this one close to the front. I'm going to approximate it close to that seam right there. Just close to it. I don't want it right on there because I don't want it to smash the little seal out that I put in there. Wow, super duper vague. I mean, I read good reviews on this bed liner, but it's like, could you just help me out a little bit? Like with the instructions? From this edge to like right here is 7/8 of an inch over there and on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this thing down. And I'm going to keep this away from my clamp. I'm going to keep this clamp away from this hook. Not far away, but I don't want it to interfere if I ever have to tie anything down. I kind of eyeballed this distance on both sides because it's the bed is kind of, or that little gap is kind of rounded, and it's very hard to get exact measurements. So I kind of eyeballed it. We'll find out if this thing attaches or doesn't attach, so. Well, my battery died, but yeah. It works. You gotta pull that, pull those two, and it'll pop up. And you can even, yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. See, this is curved, and it's really difficult to gauge where it's at. Like, it's closer down here than it is in the middle. Go, go, go. And over here, you really do kind of, I gotta eyeball it. Now it's kind of bunched up right here because I need to do the flap over before I put this down. But yeah. But yeah, I'm the Rifter. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.